Hi everybody, this is me again, your happy wife, happy life. In today's video, I share you what I've searched and learned about fitness trends for this year 2021. Because of the pandemic that shaken up in fitness industry, many studios and gym will not survive if the pandemic lasts much longer. But will still pray often that one day this will stop. Many people stay in shape during a lockdown period with running, walking, fitness exercise on their own. But this pandemic, most sports and fitness fans have turned to online offers. For me, I walk with my dog every day, 30 to 40 minutes or to 1 hour, and I go biking not every day but often. I also have some stuff in the house that I can use whenever I want. But this season is a little bit cold. It's about 18 to 25 degrees. The swimming pool is cold, so I don't like much to swim. So I do exercise inside the house. I like to do some exercise often, not just to put a video and upload in YouTube, but of course for my health too. But most important is our diet. We have to look after what we eat and we have to discipline ourselves. The experience of pandemic is very unique for everyone, has brought us topic of health into focus for many people, much more than before. Fitness strengthens our immune system. More and more people want to combine physical training with mental relaxation such as yoga. This desire is triggered not only by job-related stress, also by trinos, homeschooling with children, financial and health fears in connection with the pandemic. With this one, my foot's stiffer, I can put it outside if there is not much sun. And with this rubber on it, so you can do like this. And with my spinning, I can also bring it here. So I just enjoy the little bit of wind. And of course, my jumping rope. I like jumping rope, especially when I was young. I really like, but here there is trees. I can do this only. Six. Twenty-seven, 28, 29, 30, 30, oh, 30. So thank you for watching my video. And now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you.